Hello students, I'm BL Sharma Math sir, and this is part 4th of class 9th mathematics. This is the chapter number 1, coordinate geometry of class 9th mathematics from the new syllabus of 2026-27. And the question is on your screen. 1 to question number 30 we already have done in I have already have done in my previous video. Please keep watching. And this question number 31 is, if the coordinates of the point P are m, n, then which of the following is true? Y coordinates of the point P is m. No. The second component is the y coordinate. So we can say that this is not correct. This is not true. X coordinate of the point is P is n. No, X coordinate is the first component. This is X coordinate, but here it is written n. So this is also not correct. Abscissa of the point P is n. Abscissa means X coordinate. This is abscissa. So abscissa must be m, but here it is given n. So this is also not correct. And ordinate of the point P, yes, y coordinate is said to be ordinate. Y coordinate को ही हम ordinate कहते हैं. So yes, ordinate is n, means y coordinate is n. So this is correct. If the coordinates of 2 points, means coordinates of point P are -9, 3 and of Q are -8, 5, then find the difference of abscissa of P and abscissa of Q. Abscissa of P means X coordinate, that is -9, and abscissa of Q, that is -8. So write abscissa of P -9, subtract abscissa of Q, that is -8. Now simplify. -9 plus 8, that is -1. So C is the correct option. The distance of point B from y-axis is, this is y-axis. So 1 unit distance here, 2 and 3. The distance of this point B from y-axis 3 units. See to it that distance is never negative. So you have to mark positive 3. See to it that distance is never negative. Distance कभी negative नहीं होता. Distance को हमेशा ही positive लिखना पड़ता. Though the x coordinate is -3, but distance is not -3. Distance is 1 unit, then 2 unit, then 3 units. The point whose coordinates are -4, 0 lies on x-axis, y-axis, first quadrant, and on the fourth quadrant. See, देखिए ये y coordinate 0 is always on x-axis. So you can write जब भी y coordinate 0 हो वो पॉइंट x axis पे लाई करेगा, and whenever x coordinate is 0, that will lie in the first quadrant, sorry, y axis. So A is the correct option. The point A, whose coordinates are -482, -550, lies on Students see to it, see the sign of this. X is negative and Y coordinate is also negative. So you can take here C. In the first quadrant, X is positive, Y is positive. In second quadrant, X is negative, Y is positive. In third quadrant, X and Y both are negative, and in fourth quadrant, X is positive, Y is negative. Here both are negative. So it will lie in the third quadrant. So C is the correct option. The midpoint of the line segment joining the 2 points A and B, the coordinates are given. Midpoint के लिए क्या करेंगे हम देखिए पहले. First we write x1. X1 means the coordinate, x coordinate of the first point, that is -2. And x2, the x coordinate of the second point, that is -6. Then x1 plus x2, दोनों को ऐड करिए. -2 plus -6, open the bracket, -2 -6, that is -8. X1 plus x2 means the sum of the x coordinate of the 2 points, that is -8. Similarly, हमें y1 plus y2 चाहिए. y1 is 8 and y2 is -4. दोनों को ऐड करिए, y1 plus y2, that is 8 plus -4, open the bracket, 8 minus 4, that is 4. What is midpoint formula? Midpoint का क्या formula होता है? C. Midpoint is given by x1 plus x2 by 2, that will be x coordinate, and y1 plus y2 by 2, that will be y coordinate. X1 plus x2 is -8. y1 plus y2 is 4. So -8 upon 2, comma 4 upon 2, -8 upon 2, that is -4, and 4 upon 2, that is 2. So the coordinates of the midpoint of the line segment joining AB is -4, comma 2. C is the correct option. Ordinates of all the points on the x-axis. Ordinate means y coordinate. Y coordinate क्या होगा x-axis में? The question is this. देखिए, ये देखिएगा. ये देखिए हमारा x-axis है and this is y-axis. Here we see this point, its coordinates are 1, 0. So y coordinate is 0, means ordinate is 0. Its coordinate is 3, 0, but y coordinate is 0. This 6, its coordinate is 6, 0, but y coordinate is 0. Similarly, you can take any point on this x-axis, you will find that x coordinate is 0, x coordinate is 0, x coordinate is 0. Sorry, y coordinate is 0. Y coordinate is 0, y coordinate is 0. Ordinate means y coordinate. So y coordinate of any point on x-axis will be 0. Abscissa of all the points on the y-axis is, abscissa means x coordinate. Say, this is y-axis, ये y-axis है. Its coordinates are 0,6, 0,4, 0,2, 0,-3, 0,-5. X coordinate क्या देखिएगा? Abscissa is 0, 0, 0, 0 and 0. It means abscissa of all the points on the y-axis is 0. So A is the correct option. Abscissa of all the points on the x-axis is, abscissa means x coordinate. देखिए इस पॉइंट का कोऑर्डिनेट है 1,0, that is 2,0, this is 4,0, that is 5,0, that is 6,0. ये देखिए नेगेटिव साइड जाएं, that is -1,0, that is -3,0, that is -5,0. ऐसे आप देखेंगे कि एब्सिसा मीन्स एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट -5, -3, -1, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 0. So the abscissa of any point on x-axis is any real number. कोई भी रियल नंबर हो सकता है. देखिए -5, -3, -1, 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 800. लेकिन y कोऑर्डिनेट विल बी 0 ऑन x एक्सिस. लेकिन यह क्या पूछा है? व्हाट इज आस्क्ड हियर? एब्सिसा. एब्सिसा मींस एनी रियल नंबर.